Let's take a look at column rules in Affinity Publisher 1.8 and above. So column rules is a term which is slightly ambiguous, but I'll just show you how easy they are to add and how much impact they can have to multi-column text frames. So the real reason that you would have column rules added to a text frame is to allow the readability across multiple columns. So if, for instance, you have text down column 1 and text down column 2, to add a line between them allows you to, your eye to run vertically downwards rather than across into the next column and distract you from your reading experience. So let's just take a look with this example here. We have this 2-column text frame in the middle here, and I want to add a column rule down the middle. So by going to the this tool here, the frame text tool, selecting the frame text tool, and then choosing on the context toolbar text frame, this brings up the text frame panel. And in the text frame panel, there's an option here called column rules. And from here, I can set the width and the color of the stroke. So if I just choose this width, and I'll set this to 2 point, you can see I add a black column rule running from the very top to the bottom of the text frame. So I don't really like the fact that it's black, so I can change the color, and I can go to the swatches tab and pick up the recently used orange rather, or the spot color that we've used on other parts of this document. So I'll just choose that. You can see we have that orange color applied to the rule. Now there's some other options in here which can be just tweaked. So I could increase the top gap and the bottom gap to the same amount. And this just takes adds a little bit of extra space at the top and bottom of the text frame. So if we go to preview mode, you see that you get a sense of the column rule in action there. I'll just go in there finally, and I just want to just change some of that back to 0 gap, and then adjust the gutter value here just to give a little bit more breathing space around that column rule. And we'll go back and preview. There we go.